When I was a kid, I saw a movie, Desperados, with Antonio Banderas, and in that movie he had a guitar case that opened up, and you saw a fake guitar that also opened up, and there was a bunch of guns inside, and it was just a cool scene, and it impressed me. Well, what I have here is a guitar case, but there's another scene in that movie where a friend of his has two guitar cases that he can shoot out of, like with machine guns or something. And that also seems super cool, and we tried to recreate this. So what we have here is a brand new case, guitar case for, it's not a machine gun, it's it's a brand new that you can shoot out of when it's a guitar case. Another inspiration for this was the HK briefcase. You probably know about that one. It's essentially a briefcase where you put an MP5K inside, and you can shoot by just pressing on the handle. And that's essentially what we did here, except it's not automatic, and it's not an MP5. Let me show you its features. The case is from Savior Equipment, and it's actually designed to hold guns. So this is already a gun case. We just modified it a little bit. When we tried it out, trying different guns, what fits, what doesn't fit, I found out that this brand new without an optic, with a silent steel suppressor, fits just perfectly here with a 10-round magazine, and this dense foam inside is strong enough that when you clamp it together, it actually stays in place. So I didn't have to do much modification about it. We just drilled a hole here, so expanding gases didn't crack the case. It just has a very nice hole, very incognito, you can barely notice it. Well, maybe when you notice it, it's already too late. And then for trigger mechanism, I had a lot of very complicated ideas, but at the end, I just decided to do something with a string. It's this is some kind of nylon or high density polyethylene string for spearfishing. So it's a very simple system, just a string that goes around the pistol grip to this handle here, and when you pull the trigger, it pulls the string, and it seems to just work. Now, for shell casings, there is enough room in this case that we did it differently. I just cut the hole into the foam, and there's a bigger hole inside, and essentially there's a compartment where the shell casings stay. You can shoot 2-3 magazines, and it just fills up with shell casings, and it stays there. And it doesn't malfunction, it locks back on the last round, and it works way better than expected. Super cool. And it's kind of strange when you look at the footage of shooting it. Your brain doesn't comprehend that someone is shooting out of this case. I think we created a perfect assassin's weapon. Concealed, it keeps the shell casings inside, and maybe if you dress like a hippie with a guitar case, put some stickers on it, I don't know, like the peace sign or whatever, and then just go buy someone and just press a couple of times. You haven't heard it from me. Also, please don't do this at home. Or do. Yeah, it's on you. So if something happens, like, we're not liable for it. So why would you make a contraption like this? Well, why not? But the main reason is that Savior Equipment reached out, they sponsored this video, and I was thinking, like, how can we make a video about gun bags that will be fun and interesting? Well, I think this is it. If you don't know about Savior Equipment, they're quite big in the States, and they're more known by their soft gun cases and range bags. These are super high quality, rugged, and you can get them for a very good price. Now, Savior Equipment is also offering their gun cases in Europe, and we found out about them through our friends at Rigat from Czech Republic. They are the distributors, and to be completely honest, at first I was not interested. Until we actually met up in person at IWA, and I picked up one of the gun cases and I immediately understood just the weight of it. And when you pick it up, it's a soft case, but how sturdy it is. This is hard to describe. You actually would have to try it out. It's made out of high quality Cordura. If you ever had some quality technical equipment, you just try it out, you know the feeling. It's super dense foam, so it protects your guns, but also it does not just flex around. The handles and everything is super strong. The zippers are quality zippers. But at the end, what really convinced me was their lifetime warranty, which works without any receipts. If something's wrong, you contacted them and they will make it right. So of course, we wanted to be a part of this. Now you can get Save Your Equipment in Polenar Technical Store, and if we don't have it in stock, Regat Gear in Czech Republic will have it. I don't know, what would Kurt Cobain say? Oh, and yeah, doesn't matter.